Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I'm going to be featuring another quick and easy card. This time I'm focusing on manly card, and I'm actually going to be using two stamp sets that are actually returned at the end of May. One is Guys Greetings, and I love it because everything about this is perfect for the man in your life. And then I'm also using Truly Tailored, which is the one that came up in the Occasions catalog, that I thought it was really great also for the men in your life. So anyway, I'm gonna be using this one, hoping your birthday is as grand as you. And also I'm gonna be using this card because I thought it was really cool. So anyway, let's just go started. Here are the cardstock that I have for this card, and this one is, and of course always losing. This one is Night of Navy, and it's 5.5 by 8.5, and I'm going to be folding it in half. Here it is. I'm always losing everything when I'm filming. Okay, so we're folding it in half. Then I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and this one is 5 by, I think it's 3 3/4. Yes, 3 3/4. And then I have a piece of Design Series paper, and this one is one of my favorites, really, because all the different sheets of paper on this one are just great. I mean, you can see it here. It's all the blues, the browns, vanillas, what is this other color? Crumb cake. So it's just perfect for masculine cards, so definitely recommend that one. And it's also right now on the list as while supply lasts, so go ahead and get it right away. This one is 3.5 by 3.5. Yes, 3.5 by 3.5. And then this one is 1.5 by 3.5. So my layout is gonna go like so. So let's just start gluing everything together. I'm using Fast Fuse. Now, Fast Fuse has already retired. It's not longer available. It has been discontinued, I should say, because there's no more stock in the US. And so that being said, you probably want to start getting snail if you are getting your adhesive with Stampin' Up. So anyway, I still have some left over, so I'm going to be using it until I run out, and then from there we'll see what I'm going to be using. But most likely will be the snail. Also, the Tumble Liquid, I believe that one is as well very strong, so maybe I'll go with that one. Now, I'm also using the corduroy ribbon, and this comes in Night of Navy. And I'm going to just be cutting a piece that is this long, slightly longer than the card, and I'm going to be gluing using glue dots. Now, for the glue dots, I usually put a little ribbon here so that you don't get the whole thing of glue dots there. So you can see it's easier, and so that's another tip to share with you. But you can see it right there. That way you don't have glue dots glued everywhere, you know? And not that that happens a lot, right? So anyway, so here it is. Let's just put this one, and then that one, and then we're gonna go ahead and let's just put it. Okay. All right, so here we go. I mean, just right there, it looks gorgeous, don't you think? Now, I have a scrap piece of Very Vanilla, and I'm going to be using the foam mat, okay? So I'm going to have a foam mat, and I'm going to be inking this one with the Night of Navy. I think that will be great. So let's just glue that. And I'm using the foam mat whenever it's photopolymer, so I get a better image from there. And then the other thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go and use Tranquil Tide, which is one of our ink colors from this year. And we're going to be inking the sentiment that says, oh, let me just do this. Okay. There we go. Hoping your birthday is as grand as you. So let's just put that aside. And then I want to do the same. Although this time I'm going to be using, where are my scrap of paper here? I just need a scrap of paper. So let's just use this. Put that one here. Because I probably want to have that word grand. There we go. I only want the grand worth out. So for this one, you're just gonna take your scissors, and you're seeing me doing it, right? So I'm just going around. I'm not gonna be trying to do this on a paper cutter or anything. Just go ahead and do it. It's going to be okay. Just follow the lines on the word, and this one will be here, so it will pop up a little bit more because I wanted to highlight that word. Now for this part, you know that what is coming, right? I mean, I'm going to be doing a little flag. I think almost all my sentiments have a flag nowadays. I don't know what it is with me on flag, but I just love how they looked. And I'm just addicted to doing that. And I think it always adds something to it, honestly. So now for this little bitty one, I'm going to be using one of these dimensionals. And I'm trying to make sure, yes, so you see how it fit perfectly right there, just to hide that word. And we're gonna put it here. There we go. So it has something popping up. You see that? And you know what? I probably should have put more. So let me just take this one. I thought one would do, but I think that it needs more. So let's just do this again. Oh, I need 2 of them so that it gets better. So let's just redo this part. I'm gonna be doing this. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I think it's gonna be better that way. I thought one would be good. Should have known better, right? That's the whole reason why I'm always using that many dimensionals. There we go, much better. Okay, so now let me just take my trash here in a second. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is I want to cut this one with the stitch frame widths. So let's just go ahead and bring the Big Shot. I don't think, most of the times I always have everything pre-cut, so I don't think I really show much about it, but I'm having my magnetic platform. Then I'm going to line up the car. And you know what? Yes. So I think that will be good. Then I'm going to be putting my acrylics, and I'm doing the sandwich with both of them. And you can tell my Big Shot is well loved. I don't change the acrylics until really it is needed, because it's still working, so why would I want to be doing it? So I tried to get the replacement as far as whenever I see that it's well used, but I don't really change it until like it's absolutely needed. So anyway, I don't like being just wasteful here. So anyway, so I'm gonna be ahead So I'm thinking I want to put it that way and then have this one like so. And you know what? Now that I am thinking this, wouldn't that have been better if I have done this one like this color and then triangle type? So I'm not sure if it will work. So, you know what? Let's just redo that section. Because I feel like it needs some sort of pop-up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. This is the old Stampin' Up! Paper trimmer. I still love it. I love it. This is the main one that I use. Alright, so let's just go ahead and do this again. And let's hope it shows. If not, I probably will change to like a blank ink. Okay, that's good enough. And then maybe, let's just do, I think I have another piece of this one. Yes, I do. And where is the piece of paper? Yes, here it was. So let's just do this one. And let's just use, because I still want to pop up that word. So let's just redo that whole sentiment. And you know me, I almost never have the card made. I'm always designing as I am filming. Mainly because I don't really have the time to be doing one prototype and then filming for the same card. You know, I always have the idea in my head and go for it. Otherwise, I don't think I'll have enough time. So, anyway, so don't get frustrated with me. This is how I roll, honestly. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do this. So, anyway, so let's just do that. I think, and as I said, I'm doing the fly. There we go. All right, so what did I do with the grant word? Oh, here it is. So let's just do the same thing. We're gonna go ahead and do the 2 dimensionals because we definitely like that part of it. Yes. Yes. And then I'll do the same here. This one kind of show up a little bit, so I'm going to cut it. That way it doesn't show. I think I cut this one smaller. So I'm just cutting a little bit so I don't see it showing. Yeah, there we go. Put this on the trash can. So I think I cut this one slightly smaller. There we go. I think this will be better than this one. It will add up more. Don't you think? Yes, much better. I think I like that one better. So now, and I don't know if I want it like so. Oh my goodness. Yes, like so. Okay, so let's just put dimensionals on these. And let's just play. Let's put 4 of these. Alright, and we should be done with our masculine card. So I'm going to be putting it like so. And then what about doing this? Oh, I think I like it better that way. So let's just put the 2 dimensionals here on this side. And then have a little bit of the fast fuse here, because this will, and it's just a little bit so that it goes on top of the circle. Oh yes, I think I like this one a lot. Much better, don't you think? I think it looks better than this one. This one was not really popping up at all, and this one does. So here it is. Hope you have liked it. If you do subscribe to my YouTube channel, also I do have an email list that you can sign up. I'll put the information in the description of this one, and visit my blog at www.creatingwithali.com. I do have an ordering incentive, so anyone placing an online order through me using the hostess code, and the hostess code is on the blog creatingwithali.com. You get the monthly card kit, which is a kit to make 4 cards. And I'll send you everything except for the stamping. You'll have to provide the stamping, but you'll get everything, the paper, the embellishments, whatever I'm using, you'll get it. With the instructions with how to make the card. Now, obviously, if you don't have the stamp set that I'm using, you can always change it to whatever you have available. Or even better, you can order that stamp set so you can complete them. So anyway, it's up to you. It's your card. And also, if your order is $50 or more, then you also get the accessory of the month. So anyway, thank you so much and see you soon.